Oke, standby, kamera ready, sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action!
Hello everyone, my name is Desi Natalia Shialoho, NPM 2441176 from Class Management 24X. Today, I'm going to present topic that play a very important role in our daily life and especially in the business world. The definition of law and business law. Law is not just something we see in courtroom or legal document. In fact, law exists all around us, guiding how people behave, how companies operate, and how fairness is maintained in society. In the context of business, understanding the law is essential. Without it, business activity could become chaotic, unfair, and even harm to another. Therefore, through its presentation, we explore what law actually means, how it functions in society, and most importantly, how business law helps regulation and protect business activity so that company can operate ethically, safely, and sensibly. So, let's begin our discussion by first understand what love really is. Law play a very important role in the society, include in the business world. We can imagine that without law, all economic activity would run without rules. Everyone could act as the wish with no clear right, obligation, or responsibilities. As a result, justice could not be upheld, and trust in the business world will disappear. Therefore, law and business law serve as the main foundation of all economic activities. For business actor, understanding the law means understanding ethical and legal boundaries in peers provide, so that business can grow ethically, healthily, and sustainability. What is law? What exactly is meant by law? In general, law is a set of rules created by another institution to regulate human behavior in society, with a purpose of maintaining order or justice. There are many definitions of law, but let's look at two perspectives from experts. Van Ampelbrun states that the purpose of law is to regulate social life peacefully. This means that law exists to create peace and harmony in social. Suarjo Sukanto defines law as a set of norms that function to maintain social order and regulation human behavior. From these two perspectives, we can conclude that law is not only coercive but also has social and moral purpose, namely to maintaining balance and harmony in human life. Characteristic of law. Law has several important characteristics that distinguish it from other social norms such as regulation and ethics. These characteristics are 1. Law consists of rules and norms that are binding on all citizens. 2. Law is made by honest institutions such as the parliament and government. 3. Law is coercive, meaning violators are subject to sanction, fines, imprisonment, or administrative penalties. 4. The ultimate goal of law is to achieve justice and order within society. Therefore, law not only regulates but also provides protection and legal certainty from everyone, include business actor. Function of law. The function of law in society and especially in business can be seen from four main aspects. 1. Law function to regulate relationship between individuals or institutions so that economic interaction runs smoothly and fairly. 2. Law provides legal certainty and protection. For example, a business contract serves a written evidence recognized by law, giving both parties as agents of securities. 3. Law helps resolve conflict fairly. When disputes arise between two companies, law over maintenance such as cons or arbitration. 4. Law protect the right and obligation of citizens, include workers, customer, and investor. This law not only regulates but also acts a protector and guarantor of justice for all parties involved in business activities. Definition of business law. Now, let's move to the core topic, business law. Business law is a collection of legal rules that govern all business activities and relationships between business actors, whether individuals or organizations. According to Abdul R. Saliman, business law is the set of legal provision, the regulation, the implementation of commercial activities, and the relationship between parties in the business world. In other words, business law serves as a guideline to ensure that economic activities are conducted in an orderly, honest, and lawful manner, providing security for investors, entrepreneurs, and customers. Object of business law. The main object of business law are 1. To ensure legal certainty from all business actors so they understand their right and obligation. 2. To protect the interests of parties involved such as seller, buyer, and partners. 3. To prevent unfair practices and monopolies, maintaining healthy competitive. 4. To resolve business disputes fairly and effectively. With clear business law, the business environment become more stable and conducive, allow entrepreneurs to focus on innovation without fear of being harmed. Benefit of business law. In addition to this objective, business law provides tangible benefit in the business world. First, business law creates fairness in every transaction. All parties are treated equally before the law. Second, this serves as legal foundation for contract and agreement, making them valid and enforceable. Third, it's built trust among business partners since all relationships are based on clear and legal agreement. 4. It promotes healthy economic growth as legal certainty and protection encourage investors to invest with confidence. Hence, business law not only protection but also support trust, fairness, and sustainability growth in the economy. Scope of business law. The scope of business law is very broad and continues to evolve. Some major areas include contract law, commercial agreements, company and corporate law, bankrupt and debt restructuring law, banking and investment law, capital market law, customer protection law, international and digital trade law. The last area, digital trade, is highly relevant today. With the rise of a commercial and online transaction, new legal challenges emerge, such as data protection, privacy, and digital transaction security. Example of business law application. To make it clearer, here are several examples of how business law is applied in practice. Business cooperation agreement, such as product distribution or brand licensing contracts. Regulation of bank and investment by authorities like the Financial Service Authority or OJK and Bank Indonesia to ensure financial stability. Protection of copyright and trademarks, preventing plagiarism or intellectual property violation. Despite resolution through arbitration, which is faster and more efficient than regular counterproceeding. All these examples show that business law is present in every aspect of business operation. Conclusion. From this discussion, we can draw several key conclusions. Law serves as a tool to create order, justice, and protection in society. Business law ensures that economic activities follow proper rules and prevent conflict. Understanding business law is essential from entrepreneur so they not only speak, provide, but also act legally and responsibly. In summary, a truly successful business is not only about earning profit, but also about operating with integration, fairness, and compliance with in the law. So, thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has given you clearer understanding how law, sport, finance, and other in business world. Bye!